And what's happening? I'm Thomas Beavers, servant leader and senior pastor of New Rising Star. Mark your calendars and save the date for Sunday, March 8, 2015, 6 p.m. at the Star. My dear friend, Pastor James Mason, has just planted Church of the Way International in the Woodlawn community of Birmingham, Alabama, and his installation service is Sunday, March 8, 6 p.m. at New Rising Star. Dr. E. Dewey Smith, senior pastor of House of Hope Atlanta and House of Hope Macon, one church in two cities, is preaching his installation.
I don't know what Terrell did. I don't know what Connolly did. But can I tell you what I did? I came to Jesus. I found in him a resting place and life.
And Candy West of the Potter's House in Dallas, Texas is set to lead worship.
Break every chain, break every chain, break every chain. There's an army. Yes, it is. And we stand in the name of Jesus. Yes, it is.
Help me celebrate Pastor James Mason this glorious day. For more information, dial 205-833-3676 or visit www.thechurchofthewayinternational.org. I'm Pastor Beavers. I approve this message.